Hello everyone, how to check search tab in Chrome. So let's start. First open your Chrome browser, then go to the right hand side, click on the three dot and scroll down, and here click on the more tools option. Then click on the tab search option, and here you can see the list of search tab here showing. The recently closed tab you can check here. Okay, and you can use the shortcut key also, Control Shift plus A, to open the search tab. You can see here the icon. You can click on this icon, you can check here your search tabs also. Okay, and here this icon is not visible on your Chrome, then you can add here this search tab icon. Okay, then click on the three dot to add the icon, scroll down and click on the second last option, settings, and here the Chrome setting is open. Then click on the appearance option, the left hand side. In appearance, click on the customize your toolbar, and you right inside you can see the customize Chrome toolbar is open. Scroll down, and here in tools and action you can see the first option, tab search. This option is turn on. If you don't want this option, you can turn off. You can see the tab search option is not showing on Chrome. Now I click on the turn on. Now here you can see the tab search option is showing. Other option also available here. You can turn on if you want to add in your Chrome. So that's it. I just close this and hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you.